Good evening, everyone. Winter has returned. If you forgot, we're still in the middle of February. Very spring-like yesterday, but we're back down about 30 degrees from where we were this time yesterday, down 28 degrees in Charleston. Decatur's 29 degrees cooler, 23 degrees cooler in Paris, and those temperatures make them down into the 20s across the area. So we're at 22 in Charleston, 25 in Paris and in Terre Haute. Effingham's at 24 degrees, but it's feeling even colder with those winds factored into the area. Our wind chills are in the teens across our communities this evening, and that is because of these winds out of the northwest. They aren't as strong as they have been earlier this week, but they are strong enough to make that chill into the air, and they're going to continue with us into the overnight hours. So do expect another chilly night. We are under mostly cloudy skies across the area, but we did miss that snow chance into the day. That's been focused across our southwestern counties, so areas from Morrisonville down into the Oconee area, then Effingham County and portions of Jasper County. Those have seen the best chances for snow today, and even those amounts have been fairly light, so we're not expecting much more than a dusting across our southwestern areas, and the rest of us going to stay dry through the overnight hours. As you can see, the bulk of that system has dodged us and is down across portions of southern Missouri into the southern tip of the state and then across portions of southern Indiana and Kentucky. So we're missing the snow chances for now, but we do have more snow chances coming up later on into the weekend. Before the overnight hours, we're just going to continue with those mostly cloudy skies, but even those are going to be breaking down as we get into the early morning hours. So as you wake up on Saturday to start your weekend, expect mostly sunny skies for Saturday, and that trend is going to continue with us throughout much of the day. We will start to notice more in the way of cloud cover as we get into the afternoon going into the evening, and that's going to be ahead of our next chances of snow that could arrive for much of the area on Sunday. So as we look ahead into the extended weekend, many of you have Monday off being President's Day. We're expecting mostly sunny skies for Saturday with highs climbing up near 40 degrees, so definitely the pick of the weekend going to be tomorrow. That's ahead of our next chance of precipitation. That'll start out as snow across our area. And then as temperatures climb up into the upper 30s, we will see that change over into rain. So looking at Futurecast, we will start the day or the night on Saturday with mostly cloudy skies. But then as we get into early Sunday morning, we'll start to see that snow overspread the area. And that's going to continue into the morning hours. You'll see that snow starting to change over to rain, maybe a brief wintry mix of some sleet or freezing rain across our southern counties before that changes over to all rain. And that's going to hang around with us into the evening hours, especially across our northern counties, going to continue to see that snow. But by Sunday afternoon, anywhere south of Route 16, going to be seeing that rainfall for Sunday, and that all comes to an end Sunday night. So looking at accumulation totals, they're not really impressive with this system, with our highest totals only topping out near an inch for our northern counties. So Decatur, Monticello, over towards the Danville area, those have the best areas to see the snow totals topping out near an inch, but even less south of Interstate 70, where we look to stay below a half inch for places like Effingham, Newton, and in Robinson. So then as we get into Monday, President's Day, looking at partly sunny skies with highs in the lower or the mid 30s. Before the overnight hours, it is going to be cold with overnight lows down into the upper teens. Again, those snow chances staying to the south, and we will see more in the way of sunshine tomorrow morning. Highs topping out at near 40 degrees, but that warming trend isn't going to last around. We are going to see those temperatures staying in the 30s for much of the 7-day forecast. Another chance of snow does arrive as we get Tuesday night going into Wednesday, and then highs make it back into the 40s, more seasonal by the end of next week.